What if you could own a destination where people come to eat, drink, play, and celebrate life together? 8 on 10. Entertainment is an upscale entertainment, dining, and bar franchise that brings bowling, games, food, and social experiences together under one roof. This is not a traditional bowling alley. Each location is designed as a premium destination with state-of-the-art lanes, full-service dining, bars, arcade games, and private event spaces. From family outings and birthday parties to corporate events and late-night social crowds, 810 Entertainment attracts a wide and consistent customer base throughout the day. The brand offers multiple high-margin revenue streams including bowling, food and beverage, events, and group bookings, all supported by structured marketing and proven operating systems. With flexible venue formats, the model can scale across a wide range of markets while maintaining a consistent guest experience. The initial total investment starts at $1,057,500. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add 810 Entertainment to your top picks and request the info pack now.